So today we're going to have a look at knife sharpening using a whetstone. Safety first, we need to make sure that the stone is put on top of a wet towel to stop it from sliding around. You can put water on here or you can put oil on here, you just need some sort of lubrication. We're going to use some water and some dishwashing detergent, okay? You have to imagine that this is at 90 degrees, okay? Flat on the bench is 0 degrees. In the middle is 45 degrees. When we place our knife onto the stone, we want it at about 30 degrees. 30 degrees is a compromise between the sharpest angle and the strongest angle, okay? The water on there and the detergent on there is to act as a lubricant to help the knife move around and to remove any metal that comes off of the knife as you go. Should have small finger on the tip of the knife, 3 fingers across the back of the knife. Raise the handle up on the stone, starting at the heel. Nice small circles. As you make circles on the stone, work from one end to the other. Once you've formed the cutting edge on one side of the knife, and it should be even from the tip to the heel, turn the knife over, repeat the same process on the opposite side. You should have a cutting edge that's been formed on both sides of the knife. It should look roughly the same and it should be even width from the heel all the way to the tip. Once you've got your cutting edge started, turn the stone over to the finer side. A bit more detergent, a bit more water. Repeat the same process. What this does is takes off the remaining rough parts of the knife, makes it a lot smoother, makes it a lot sharper and better cutting edge. That should give you a nice cutting edge from the heel all the way to the tip. When you're finished cutting the cutting edge on your stone, it will be rough in a few spots. You then swap over to the steel. The steel's job is to polish and maintain the edge of the knife. So holding the steel with your fingers behind the safety guard, starting at the heel, going in a half circle motion. Starting at the heel, working your way down to the tip on both sides as you go. Will give you a nice sharp cutting edge. You can test the cutting edge by taking your finger, moving it across the blade, and you'll be able to feel if it's sharp or blunt. That's the correct way to sharpen up a knife.